Hello, welcome back again to Abby's Fusion Cooking channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching my videos. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. As you can see, today we are going to turn the chicken into the most tastiest and crunchiest chicken you've ever had. Believe me or not, after trying this recipe, you wouldn't go to KFC with your family anymore. Remember, I prepared the chicken in my previous video with spices and vegetables, and I did put it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Please, if you haven't watched that video yet, please do go and watch it to get a better understanding of what I'll be doing today. So my ingredients for today are sunflower oil to fry, garlic Italian mixed spice, 3 eggs, but I would only be using the egg white and not the yolk, which is the yellow bit. So my chicken together with the spices has been in the fridge overnight, so it's marinated overnight, and I'll just be pouring everything into the pan. And because it's been in the fridge all night, all the spices has been infused into the chicken. Ebia koko chicken no mo kama. So the beya mama chicken I did. This will make the chicken so tasty. I wouldn't add any water to it, but trust me, it's still gonna cook very well. So I've put my fire on medium heat, and I'm just going to let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I just open it to make sure the chicken gets all the juices of the spices. Spices in the beko baby. So after stirring it, I'll cover it up again and let it boil for an additional 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, look at how it looks. Not too long till it gets ready, but it still needs to boil. So just be careful when you're stirring it, because you don't want the chicken to break into pieces. So at this point, I'll just cover it up since it's not ready yet, and let it boil for an additional 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, my chicken, I can say, is ready. So I'll just strain the juices out of the chicken. Make sure all the water is drained out of it, and don't throw that water away. It's stock, you can use it for something else. So I've put my oil on the fire, and I've put in 1 sprig of rosemary, and I've put in about 4 garlic, just to infuse the oil. Remember I said I was going to use the egg white, so this is my technique in achieving that white bit of the egg. So we wouldn't be using the yellow bits. I just need the egg white. So my chicken has cooled down. ama adwo kama say the beya betumi e dey abo nkosua no mu. So I'll be using the garlic Italian mix. I'll be putting that in the egg white. So I'll put that in the egg white and just stir it. I wouldn't whisk it as if I'm going to fry the egg. No, I'll just stir it because I'm just going to dip the chicken into that. So one at a time, I'll dip the chicken in the egg white together with the garlic Italian spice, one after each other, to make sure all the sides are fully immersed in there. So at this point, my oil is piping hot. So I'll just put in the chicken one at a time. So I have turned it on the sides, and as you can see, it's browning well. It's browning really well. Baby, chi. So mamu to me. So continue turning it on the sides for about every 2 to 3 minutes so you obtain that brown golden color. Just eyeball it to make sure you have obtained that color you want without letting it actually burn. Do chicken dankasa. You should be in my kitchen to smell the aroma that's coming out of here. Rosemary no kwa with chai. And this spice is not what chicken on. Mommy kitchen high say my kitchen is smelling so good. So after it's fried to obtain that brownish color, I'll just put a kitchen paper towel in a bowl and then take my chicken out of the oil. Can you see that? Can you see the color? Yes, brown golden color. Wait, I mean to me was send me back once and mache ana what's it saying? That they are corner idiot. The chicken looks so good, so I really think I can't wait to dish it out. I have to taste at least one before I do that. Look at that. Look at the chicken. Our chicken is now ready. So remember, let the fried chicken stay absorbed in the kitchen paper towel for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then your crunchy, better than KFC chicken will be ready. You can have this with jollof rice, you can have this with plain rice, or even just with salad. I hope you do try this at home yourself. Please do subscribe for more videos, and please do stay alert for my next videos.